Welcome back everyone. So today in this video I will be sharing top 5 best repair tool for your Windows PC and laptop in 2023. And the download link for all these tools you will be getting in the description. So without any delay, let's quickly get started. And on number 5 we have tweaking.com, that is a Windows repair tool, and it's a free edition. You can go with the paid version as well and enjoy to get the more options. Now in the pre-repair step, you get many tools, many options, like you can backup tool, you can back up the registry, you can back up the permission, but that you have to go with the pro feature. Then you have the system restore. Now many times your Windows restore option doesn't work, and in that case you can come to this tool and restore your computer. Then you have the repair option. You can click on open repair and it will be repairing all kind of registry, malware and other kind of problem that is running on your computer. Now it's always recommended that you should run this kind of tool in the safe mode so that it can properly run without any kind of problem. Now in the advanced repair you get Windows firewall cleanup, then you get unhide hidden file. So if any kind of files are being hidden, you are trying to search for it, then you can go with this option, but this is a pro feature. These are the pro feature. For that you will have to upgrade it. Okay. You also get the missing packages file like reg cleanup. So many times when you try to search any kind of file, any kind of entries in the registry, you find that it's not showing up in your registry. In that case, you can run this tool to bring that option, bring those entries back. Even you can troubleshoot and fix the restore default printer port, and if any of the port are missing, not working, then you can also run this tool. Then you have the advanced tool. You get many more options like Windows Quick Link, manage Windows users and group, system tweak, which you can use for the best performance. Then you get the edit custom script, enhanced Windows disk cleanup, Windows services, run as system account, but these all are in the paid subscription. And in the free version, you can use the backup tool, pre-repair step, and the repair option. So give a try to this tool and see. Let me know in the comment section that what best you found in this tool. And now on number 4, we have the PC manager that comes from the Microsoft only. So once you bring up this tool, you will have to click on start. And now you can see that it's look very neat and clean. And on the very top, it shows you the memory usage, the temporary file that should be clean to boost the performance, and even it give you the boost option, and once you click on it, it will be fixing all these kind of problem. Then you have the health check option, and if you click on it, now this will be looking for any kind of issues like virus, potential issues, startup app to be disabled, an item to be cleaned up. Okay, so in this way you can find out all the things that need to be cleaned out so that it should make your computer neat and clean. Then you have the storage management option, and if you click on it, it gives you the deep cleanup, manage large file, manage app, and the storage sense option. Now I think these are the options that you get by default in the Windows 11, so you don't have to run it, but still you can manage it from here. Now the next one is the process management. It will let you know that what kind of process has been occupied by these kind of application. So in case if you're running out of CPU and the memory usage, and if you want to reduce it, so you will find all kind of process running, and from here only you can end the task that is consuming the maximum memory and the CPU usage. And then you get the startup app, and if you click on it, from here only you can disable or enable the startup app that start with your computer. Then you also get the security option, and if you click on it, it gives you the Windows Update option default browser setting that you can manage from here only. Then you get the taskbar repair, and if you click on it, you can enable and disable all these options from here. Then you get the pop-up management, enable pop-up block. You can enable or disable it. So this is a free tool that you should enable it, and you should keep along with your Windows 10 and Windows 11. And with this simple tool, you can really get much help while using your Windows. Now number 3, we have the Fortect, that is a very powerful tool with a lots of option. It help you to clean the computer, keep your computer protected, and even it will be repairing many kind of issues on your Windows 10 and 11. So this is how this dashboard look like. And once you click on start full scan, it will be scanning for all kind of infection, all kind of file to be cleaned up, any kind of malware or virus, everything will be detected with using the start full scan option. And if you have a look here, it says secure your privacy, boost performance, malware defense. So whatever kind of issues you are facing, simply go and click on it and it will be running a scan for that particular problem. Now on the left hand side, you get the performance tab. And if you click on it, then it will let you know about the crashed program, the junk file and the broken registry. Not only it will display you, it will even help you to fix all these kind of problems. Then you get the security option. You can run a quick scan, you can run a deep scan, and if there will be any kind of problem found, it will help you to fix that problem. Then you have the privacy option, so you can manage the cache, you can manage the Office apps. So these are the options that you get here, and it will be also running in the background to keep you protected and let you know that what need to be done on your computer. And now next we have the PC cleaner. This is also a very amazing tool with a lots of advanced options. So once you come to this home page, you will find the system information like what kind of computer, what kind of RAM, when the scan was last been done, the popular cleaning tool, and you get many tab on the very top. And if I click on the cleanup, so you can see that they provide you lots of option over here. Like you can go with the registry scan, you can manage the startup, you can uninstall the program, you can uninstall browser extension. So everything you can manage from one application only. The next tab is the security. And if you click on it, you get the check security option, the ID scan, the router security scan, secure vault, shred file, device wiper, optimizer, privacy setting. Then you have the optimize option where you can repair your Windows. You can run an advanced scan, you can boost your memory and the app performance, optimize SSD setting, Windows tool, stability report. These are the options that you get over here. So let's say if you want to boost your memory and app performance, then you will have to click on it and it says automatically boost memory. Then it says review program using the last memory. So choose any one of the option. Then it will give you the graph that what kind of memory are being used and free memory. Simply you will have to click on boost and the performance will be boosted. The last one is the toolbox that you get. And here you get like manage pop-up notification, data recovery, that is in the pro features. So if you want to enjoy it, then you can go with the paid version. Then you have the cleaning report, automatic scan and system monitoring. So this is another useful tool that give you a lot of options, lots of features that you can manage from one single tool. And now the last one is the Windows Repair Toolbox that comes with tons of features and tons of applications that you can access from this Repair Toolbox only. So it's a kind of a toolbox that contained all kind of tools that you require on your Windows PC and laptop. Now in the hardware section, you can see the CPU-Z, that is a very popular software. And if you click on it, it will bring up the CPU-Z very quickly on your desktop. And this will give you all kind of information like your CPU, the main board, the memory option, the SPD, the graphic option. From this tool only, you can find out that how many RAM slots are being used and how many RAM slots are empty. And this can be really useful for the people using the laptop and they want to upgrade the RAM and want to assure that whether there is any kind of slot empty or not. Even you get the graphic information. So this tool can be really useful for you. And the best part is that you can access all of them from one single platform. Then you have the memory diagnostic, the RAM expert, the battery info. So you can get all this information that comes in the hardware section. Similarly, you can use the backup and recovery tool like Recova and the fast copy. The useful tools are over here like sys internals, Microsoft Nanite, app crash, blue screen. You can fix any kind of blue screen problem. There are the Windows tool like DISM, then CHK, DSK. Now not only this, if you switch to the next tab, that is the malware remover. So here you get many other tools that will help you to clean all kind of malware and infection from your computer. Then we have the custom tool that you can manage from here. Then the final test. So you can find out that whether the Java or any other application are installed and properly running on your computer or not. So that's all guys for today. These were the 5 best repair tools for your Windows PC and laptop. Let me know in the comment section that which tool you like the most. And if you were using any one of them tool, then also let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.